Hello everyone, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and today I am doing a cook with me. We are going to make a delicious cast iron skillet apple crisp. So I'm starting here with 6 apples. I am using Gala apples and Honeycrisp apples, and I'm going to go ahead and get those peeled so that way we don't have too many skins in our crisp. We don't really want that. So now that all of our apples are peeled, we are going to slice them, and I want them to be fairly thinly sliced, but it doesn't have to be too specific or anything. So I am going to slice all of these apples now. Once all of the apples are sliced, I am going to start working on the crisp. Now this is the yummy crumb topping that goes on the top of our apples. So I'm going to use 1 cup of old-fashioned oats. Now we're going to add the brown sugar. This is 1/3 cup brown sugar. And here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to start working in the butter. I am using 5 tablespoons of cold butter, and I'm going to add all of that to my oat mixture and use my fingers to cut the butter into the mixture. Now you can use a pastry cutter, or you can even blend this up in your food processor. So now I'm heating my cast iron skillet on my stove, and I'm heating it up over a medium to low heat, and I'm going to melt in 2 tablespoons of butter. Get that nice and melted all around. So now I'm adding 1/4 cup of brown sugar to my butter, and I'm also going to add in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a dash of salt. I'll pull that out here just a second. There we go. Now I'm going to mix that all around and get it nice and syrupy. Now I'm going to stir all of my apple slices into the sauce and let them get cooked until they're softened, which will take about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to turn the heat off and add all of my crisp topping to the apples. Now we're going to bake our crisp in the oven at 350 degrees for about 35 minutes. And that's it. You now have a delicious warm apple crisp that is just perfect for those fall evenings. You can serve this with vanilla ice cream or whipped topping. It's good, huh? Or just eat it by itself like we do. Isaac says hi. If you enjoyed this, please give us a thumbs up and see the full recipe at my blog, simplerlivingmama.com, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.